So today I will be going over stuff in Windows ME. So yeah, so if you don't know, I'm in a virtual machine. So if my cursor just goes to the very edge, then you understand why, because this is a virtual machine and I haven't got it fully full screen yet. So let's look at what we've got here. So programs, games. Why don't we play a game? Yeah, classic solitaire. I'm terrible at solitaire, but pull a card. Queen. Yeah, I'm terrible at solitaire, so let's move on. Let's move on to some more interesting stuff than playing solitaire. Set up MSN. Next. Okay, it's checking for modem. Probably not going to find nothing, but ooh, oh, okay, cool. Okay, this is not necessary. I'll tell it my actual region. Oh no, it's going to try and dial a number, isn't it? Well, it's going to dial nowhere, so that's a lot of fun, yeah? Yep, it's just going to be calling nowhere. So I'm not exactly sure how I set up this. So I'm going to quickly go into Virtualbox and quickly check these settings. I'm maybe going to change it to a bridged adapter. That should do it. So we're back and we're going to just shut down, no, restart. Restart should be right. There we are, Virtualbox. As you can see, I'm running this in Virtualbox. Yeah, boot from hard drive because I've got CD-ROM installed. So that's booting. Okay. Ooh! I should have heard the boot sound there, but let's not get too sad about it. Oh, okay, so something went wrong there. I don't exactly know what that is. I just know that that's pointing to my local IP. It's pointing to like the kind of IP that everybody has inside of their network. I don't know, but I believe it's trying to call one that. Yeah. I don't even think the phone numbers even exist on here. I think I'll be back once I've worked out how to set up internet. Because this shouldn't be the way that it's working. Internet connection working, but most websites don't work. You see, Bing works. The funny thing is it actually goes through to Bing. So I wonder if that's some sort of setting or something. Because Bing wasn't around until like 2008. So what I think is happening here, it's trying to kind of go to MSN, but it's failing. So yeah, it's just, so it gets redirected to Bing by MSN. I'm going to allow that and see if that helps. Allowing more ciphers might help. Let's see. For some reason I just can't get my website running. .html.htm. Yeah, I just don't think this is gonna work. So let's try another site. The old net. Okay, so the old net is working. So let's see what this is like. So clearly this is working. So I've done a few streams on the old net before. Let's see what the Internet Explorer page was like. So this is what our web pages might have been like. So I think this is the closest we're going to get to the internet, quite honestly. Because most websites won't work. But hang on, I've got an idea, right? Probably not a good idea, but it's an idea. I realise that having such an insecure Windows ME system could mean I could get a virus and stuff off this. But it'll be in a virtual machine, so it'll be like this machine has a virus, but this certain virtual machine has a virus, meaning it's not really a problem. Ooh, look, it is working. SandroLinux.com in a container. Oh, look, can't load YouTube apparently. Oh, but my website is loading just fine. Oh my god, the colours, man. Oh my. Okay, so let's just say this isn't the best internet experience I've ever come across or I've ever used. But I could kind of hazard a guess that it's kind of usable. Yeah, this is usable, isn't it? Apparently it can't do the vertical thing where it goes along, so clearly it has ignored my CSS rules, because did it even support CSS? Clearly it did, because it's red borders and stuff, but I think the CSS implementation is much lower. It's not 5 or anything. Hang on, CSS 3, aren't we? So it's not 3, it's probably like 1 or something. Error on page. Okay, so let's say browsing with this is a subpar experience, just to say the least. Why don't we try a different website? Why don't we pull up a bit of YouTube? Yeah. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's see if it's working. Okay, it appears to be working, but back then YouTube used to be also a dating platform, I believe. So yeah. But let's be back. Let's go back. Fun fact. Yeah. Apparently I wanted to do something related to dating, apparently, back then. So we have our Windows Media Player, I forgot to mention. I can't play any audio. Or else, I could get a copyright strike, but it doesn't even appear to be playing. So, that's just great, man. It doesn't even appear to even be trying. Okay, it's trying to download a resource, and I don't think they would still have stuff from back then. Oh, what? That's just about to play music. I cannot have that. I do not want to get copyright strike by like UMG or whatever, because I play Beautiful Way on a video. But as you can hear, the audio isn't even working. So that isn't good. Maybe I need to mess around with sound adapters and stuff. But it should really be working, shouldn't it? Oh well. Or it's trying to open up a website which doesn't exist anymore. Let's see if sound adapters are the problem here. So yeah, you might just run into this kind of problems these days. I don't even know where to find sound adapter. Yeah, that's just great. No. So, yeah, Windows ME is pretty interesting. There's a lot of kind of cool stuff in here. Let's see if I can finally get it to do the boot chime now. That is all I want at this moment. Boot chime. Boot chime time. Don't think it's going to do it, man. Yeah, it just played the first 2 notes of it. Also, I think I could get a copyright strike for that. But if you don't know, it goes like... It's a really good start-up tone, but that's nothing. Oh, wait. This is here. Okay, so this is VMware Guest Editions. I've been trying to get this to work, but as you can see, it ain't working. I think that's a good place to wrap up today's video. It's been very interesting. I might do another video on Windows ME. It's a very interesting experience. But the last thing I'm going to do is see what happens when I open up Outlook Express. John Timmy. Set up a Hotmail account. Yeah, so I'm guessing this won't do anything. Just guessing. Okay, I don't think this is actually gonna work. So here's Outlook Express, if you've never seen it before. MSN, Hotmail. So yeah. If you didn't know, Michael MGJD did a very good video on how MSN still exists, like the dial-up still exists, and even MSN Premium still exists. So I might put that up in the cards. You can watch it if you want to. It's not my video, but it's pretty cool anyway. So let's say I'm going to email. Hang on, have I actually? Does it claim this should work? Okay, so I don't think this is working, so I think this is a good place to end the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. You can also like and share if you enjoyed today's video. I might probably do another video on Windows ME, in fact, almost definitely. So be sure to subscribe for that great quality content. And yeah, so you can comment down below with suggestions, maybe a program to install. But until the next one, goodbye.